like my friend. But we had a lot of landslides. Going to the K2 base camp.
The land of beauty, Gilgit-Baltistan.
I come from Sweden.
Experience by road.
It was okay.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम GB2 न्यूज़ के साथ मैं हूं आसिफ माजानी। इस वक्त मैं खरफोचो फोर्ट में मौजूद हूं और आज बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं। नाज़रीन, हमारे साथ दो टूरिस्ट मौजूद हैं जो कि फॉरेनर हैं। हम इनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो।
Hello. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome the land of beauty, Gilgit-Baltistan. And where you come from?
I come from Sweden.
So how many days you here in Skardu?
In Skardu we're for 2 days or 3 days.
You come by road or by air from Islamabad?
We were supposed to go by air, but we came by bus.
By bus from Islamabad.
Islamabad. Yeah,
By
Islamabad.
What's your experience by road?
Horrible. A lot of landslides. It took 48 hours to get here.
Here rainy day, today rainy day, and on way different areas landsliding. So what do you say about road?
The road it was okay. It was okay. Yeah, but not more than that.
You enjoying here? Well,
Yeah, I like Pakistan. It's very beautiful. Nice people.
thank you so much.
Like my friend. And we came here today from Islamabad. But we had a lot of landslides. But otherwise it was nice. We had to walk a bit and then take a taxi. And then tomorrow we're going to the K2 base camp and Gondogoro La Pass. And then we will go around for 2 more weeks and then we will head home.
So you plan to come here Skardu to go K2
K2 base camp.
base camp?
Yes.
How many days your tour plan?
15 days, I think. 14, 15. And
Any local tour guide with you?
yeah, we're going with Apricot Tours with Alicia Ras. We will meet him tomorrow as well. He's coming from Islamabad.
So today rainy day you come here just 15-minute walk Kharpocho fort. So how you feeling here?
I feel good. A little bit of altitude, not used to it, but it's nice. It's really nice to just get out and move a bit.
What do you want to give message to Pakistani people?
Yeah, go travel in the north.
Okay.
Yeah.
मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए GB2 न्यूज़ HD यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी सारी वीडियोस आप लोगों को बर वक्त मिल सकें।